Yo, what is going on, guys? Prevised here. Thank you for watching. Uh, okay, I'm gonna be teaching you how to create. Okay, I'm getting Skype messages. I'm gonna teach you how to create a sword script. So, in this text file for my video request, I have can you create a video how to create sword script? So that's what I'm gonna do. So, I'm gonna be removing that, and we're down to 4. So leave some requests down in the description, the comment section. Now, the more requests I get, the these less likely these are gonna get done, probably because it's just gonna add on. And if I see something that's gonna be easy to create, I'm just gonna make that tutorial, of course. But I'm gonna have to get to these as soon as possible. I'm gonna try. Alright, so a sword script. Alright, let's get on to that. Okay, so I don't have anything to show you in the beginning because I never created a sword script to show you guys. But what we're gonna need is we're gonna need a plugin, a animation plugin. So you're gonna go to manage plugins, find plugins. Okay. All right. So, um, let's find this animation plugin. I'm joking. All right. So animation editor. So this is the one that you want to install. It's by Roblox. So just press install or whatever it shows right here, and then it should be installed. And then close Roblox Studio and open that studio up again, and you should have it. And this is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna have like these 5 buttons. It should be. So the reason why you need this is because uh, I don't know how many times I said but you need to create your own animation. But I keep saying oh well. So you need to create your own creation, and if you use a friend's animation, I highly doubt that would work. But if you use a, you can go to inventory. You can probably just use a normal animation. I'm trying not to say Okay. So you can go to get more under animations, and you can just find the animation. So maybe you can find like a sword swing animation or whatever. But I'd recommend making your own. Now, if you don't know how to make an animation, maybe look up on YouTube how to make a animation. So anyways, I should have my animation. Let's I'm gonna see what I can do. Let me open up a rig, a block rig. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have 2 rigs over here. Oh, I'm gonna delete that bottom one after. I'm gonna use this rig. Select file, export, because I want to put it into Roblox Studio. Let's see what I have. Knife swing. Knife swing. I could probably use that. Knife spin. Um, let's do knife swing. Now this is not gonna look like a sword swing animation, but it'll do. It's you guys just need to find an animation that can where we can weld the sword, or so we can attach the sword to the so it can actually look like a sword animation, like a fighting animation. You know. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my inventory, and I'm gonna get the animation ID. So animations. Alright, so I had said knife swing. So once you create your animation or use the animation, just get the ID, copy it. Alright, so let's close out this. Alright, so let's go in starter pack. It doesn't matter, either starter GUI or starter pack. I'm gonna make the script in starter pack. Right click, insert object, screen GUI. Alright, so we're gonna start off by making a repeat wait until game.players.local player players.local player dot character. Okay. So, like in my tutorials, usually I explain this. So it's gonna repeat this first line, and we just add a wait until game.players.localplayer.character. So it's gonna repeat this line until the client's character is added to the game. Alright, so now we're going to access the player. So local player equals game.player, no, players.local player. Then we're gonna access the character equals player character. Alright. So let's see. So we are going to do whenever we click with our mouse, then animation is gonna play. Okay, actually, we need the tool itself. Yeah, we're gonna need the tool itself. So let's okay. So I never made a tool. Actually, let's see my models. Now you might see some kind of detailed stuff in here. Made by me, but some are not made by me, but you know, so yeah, cause okay, alright, here's a knife. Alright, so okay, let's close this. So this is a knife I made. It's a pretty bad knife, to be honest. I don't really care for it. I made it with a plugin. Alright, so using this, you guys don't have to do it. I just made it big. So using, whoa, okay, that messed up. Oh my god, I hate whenever this happens, dude. Alright, I'm gonna have to insert it again. Resize it. Okay, that should be a good size. So, of course the title is gonna be a sword script, but a knife is kind of like a sword, you know? I mean, it has a handle, and I mean, you just gotta add an animation. So, all right. So, let's make this into a tool. So, if it's a model, let's make it into a tool. But first off, before doing that, you need to make sure you have a part called handle. Now, as you can see, this is not a part. This is a union. It's still gonna work. It should work. So make sure you have something called handle, and make sure it's in the right position, like where the handle of the sword or knife is. Okay, so then you select all the parts inside the model. Pretty big, lot of parts. Make sure anchored is false, which is unchecked. Can collide. I'd recommend changing that to false. Uncheck that, and yeah. All right, so we're also going to need a weld script. Yeah, we're gonna need like either a weld script or weld plugin. So you can go in free models and look for that, or you can get Weld plugin by OzzyPig. So what you would do is go to Find Plugins. So it's by OzzyPig, and just search just search Weld. That's what I usually do. I just kind of look through here, and it's by OzzyPig. Here it is, 3,000 installs at this moment. So install that and close Roblox Studio. I should have said that before, but yeah, I didn't record this video already. I didn't even practice this stuff before I made this video. Usually I do, make sure I get everything right and I know what I'm doing. So that's why this tutorial is going to end up longer. Alright, so we're going to right click on workspace, insert object tool. We take our knife, drag it into the tool. Let's name our tool whatever you want, it does not matter. Name my knife. And then click on the knife, and then press Control U. Okay, so that's gonna ungroup. Alright, so now what we need to do, so with our weld, this should be the welds right here. So we click on handle, then click on this one right here. Wait, I think I'm doing it wrong. I'm sorry guys, I'm so sorry. Alright, select everything inside, and then you click that. It's just I'm so used to this motor creator, because that's what I always use. Alright. Yeah. Okay. So now this knife should be welded together, and it's all unanchored also. Yeah, it's of course it's just gonna fall right through the map because can collide's false. Okay, so now what we're going to do is script the knife. So we're going to right click, knife, cut. So cut just pretty much copies and then you're able to paste it. So paste, control V, inside starter pack. And that local script that you had made, just drag it into the tool. And it doesn't matter what the name of the local script is. Now, listen carefully. Whenever, as you can see, there's all kind of welds in every single part except for handle. Now, one day, if you do end up editing the knife or you reposition the knife, like if you drag it into workspace and then you edit something, it's going to remove all the welds. So you need to remember that. It's going to remove all the welds. That's what sucks about this, the weld plugin. Now, I mean, you could just use a weld script, but I use the weld plugin. So what you would have to do is the same process of selecting all the parts. And it's okay if you accidentally highlight the local script while doing that. But anyways, let's get back to the script. So we need to make the equipped function. So we're going to do script dot parent dot equipped connect function. I'm going to make this a little bigger for you guys. Right. So now this is saying whenever we equipped it, then it's gonna run all this. Sorry if it hit my mic. Then we're going to do script dot let's know. I'm going to let's ROBLOX tool selected. I need to look up a wiki because I did not practice this. Let's just look up ROBLOX tool. Alright. Let's look up the yeah, that's not the right one. This should be the API. Okay, so so we need to look for the event. So activated, file when the player clicks, that's what we're looking for. So what this is saying is once we equipped it, and then we need to do script dot parent dot activated connect function. Oh, gotta make sure that's a lowercase c. Probably would work with a capital, but I'd rather not. Okay, so once we activate it, then so pretty much activate it means like whenever we click, then we need to play the animation. So let's make a variable up here for after a while. So local played anim, because this is going to be a debounce, equals false. So we're going to make played anim equals true. Okay, so now we need to load the animation inside of the character's humanoid. So we need to first create the animation. So local anim equals instance.new animation. Always missing that A on animation, I can tell you that. Alright, so now we're going to do anim.animation ID equals, so now we're going to paste the ID that we had. So copy, paste right here. Now it will not work like this. So what you need to do is make it a string. So and add RBX, zoom in a little, RBX asset ID colon slash slash. I think that's a slash. And then you add that. So ROBLOX asset ID, and then this is this is pretty much an asset, so that's why it has to be like this. Okay. So we're going to make a new variable now. So local play anim, not make sure it's not played. Anim equals let's see. Oh yeah, anim. Gosh. Don't mind me. ROBLOX load animation. A lot of scripters do this, guys. I'm just saying. Alright, so, okay, here it is. Okay, I was kind of confused. So, we make a variable, and then we do humanoid. We go into the character's humanoid, and then we load the animation. So this is what I was confused about. Like, I didn't know where to start. If I should start with anim or what. Alright, so it's character dot let's do find first child humanoid. Alright. And then we do load animation. Alright, so in here we're going to put anim, because anim is the animation that we made. Alright, so now we do play anim, then we call the play function, so it's gonna play. Alright, so we're going to test this. Okay, so this is whenever we equipped our tool. Now as you can see, I have a custom backpack thing. So what I'm going to have to do is disable that. Okay, it's not this. Hold on. Oh, that's another animation tutorial I made. Okay, I think it's in... No. Yeah, you guys are now exploring all my scripts. Okay, I think it's... Yeah, it's under backpack, equipped. I'm going to disable this. Alright. So, just ignore all these other tools. So, knife is my tool that I had. Okay, let's see if we're getting an error. Okay. Okay, yeah, we are getting an error. Okay, no, wrong script. Yeah, I have a tutorial on pretty much almost everything, just about everything in this game. Alright, let's see what I'm getting an error on, guys. Alright, line 13 is what it says. So, played, okay, I see. Okay, I put played anim. We want play anim because this is the variable right here. Okay, yeah, okay. Now let's see. Alright, press 3. So whenever I click, that's pretty nice, huh? What an amazing animation. Alright. Okay. The animation. I wonder why it's doing that. Oh, hold on. I know what I'm missing. I know. I think this is the reason why. We didn't parent the anim. So we're going to put a comma. And then we're going to parent the animation inside of our character. So we do character. Okay. I had a feeling I was missing something, but I mean, I don't know if it's going to work. Let's see. What? Okay, I see whenever I click it adds a bunch. Okay, alright, sorry about this, guys. Let's make an if statement. So if played anim is equal to false, then we're going to play all this. So we set played anim to true, and then we need to keep it as true. Yeah, we're gonna have to keep it as true because. Alright, let's see what happens. Alright, so I need to go inside my character and then press 3. Right. And it's not gonna play anymore. I don't know if I really have to even put it inside my character. If I even have to load it inside of my character. I don't know. I don't know if I have to parent it inside my character. Let's try a different animation. I don't know what's going on with that one. Alright, let's try this animation I made. So we hit 20 minutes. Alright, so I don't know what happened. Oh, okay, it played the animation. I mean, I think it did correctly. Alright, so now what we're going to do is make the unequipped. So, I think it's with a lowercase e, unequipped. So, whenever we unequipped it, then it's going to, we're going to want to make this animation, this variable, a global variable. So we're going to take out local, and then so whenever we unequipped it, we want anim stop. So it's going to stop the animation. Actually, no. Change that back to local. This is the this is the variable that we want to make global, because play anim is the one where we can call the play function. And then so we do play anim stop. Okay. Let's see. I think we can have it work without that. Let's test. Yeah, okay, it works without even parenting. Cool. Now what we're going to do is, if you guys want like a certain amount of time to be able to wait until you can play the animation again, or like do the sword swing, then you put the wait, like how many seconds. You don't even have to have a wait if you don't want it, really. Alright, so then we do played anim equals boss. Yeah. So guys, this is pretty much it. Now if there's any problems, let me know, but alright, let's just kind of test this out. Cool. But I'm not very good at making animations, and I know it might look a little weird. My character's just spinning. It's just my camera's going in a circle because it like follows my forgot what it's following. But that's pretty much it. Now if you guys have any questions, let me know. This is the full script right here. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.